Both Tungwarara and Prophet Uebert Angel have resolved their differences following a misunderstanding of a prophetic message. Sarabina mashoko atikaona kuti at the start of this year we saw kuti there was a prophecy which was prophesied by Uebert Angel yaonekwa kunzi yaataka zvigananda, especially tichitarisa kuna Paul Tungwarara, and takaona kuti pane speeches akaitwa public displays anyasoradza kuti zvinhu zvinomira zvakanaka, but recently we saw them shaking hands, talking about the recent wedding with the Tagwire family. And never subscribe or like on the bell icon. According to Tungwarara, Prophet Uebert Angel delivered a prophetic word which he misunderstood at the time. He admitted that the way he received and interpreted the message was different from what Prophet Uebert Angel had intended. He said the two later met privately and resolved the issue completely. Tungwarara described Prophet Uebert Angel as someone he deeply respects, calling him a brother and a partner who shares the same vision for Zimbabwe. He added that both of them remain committed to supporting President Emmerson Mnangagwa's agenda for economic transformation, attracting investment into Zimbabwe and representing the country's interests at the highest level. Tungwarara also urged people not to rush into spreading rumors or fueling divisions on social media, saying many people wrongly believed the two were enemies when they were not. Zimbabwe is bigger than any other individual moments. I choose to invest my energy there, Tungwarara said. Doma developments are kubuda panguva ino chiona Tungwarara na Uebert Angel panguva ine vachi reunita pa a misunderstanding yakanga iripo vachiseta nekuresolva madifferences. Developments ari kubuda panguva ino. Tuzive mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Rakomeza kushema yetu za fungiro enyu, musasubscribe or like, pamwe chete nokuturn on the bell icon.